Okay, today we're going to be looking at squaring out brackets when there's a fraction involved. So it's the same rules as squaring out a bracket as normal, but we just need to remember how fractions behave. So we've got an example here, x plus 1 over x squared. And remember, anything squared is multiplied by itself. So first, I'm going to say that's the same as x plus 1 over x times x plus 1 over x. And when I'm multiplying out brackets, I take the x first, and I multiply by everything. Then I take the 1 over x, and I multiply by everything. So x times x is going to give me x squared. And now I'm doing x times 1 over x. That's going to be looking like this. X, if expressed as a fraction, is x over 1. And when we multiply fractions, we multiply the tops and bottoms. Now we're going to be able to simplify that fraction, but I just wanted to show it in this form at the moment so you understand why we're simplifying it. So in the next step that we're doing 1 over x multiplied by x, and we're going to end up with the same answer again. So we're going to get 1 times x over x. And then in the last one, 1 over x times 1 over x is 1 times 1, which is 1, over x times x, which is x squared. To square a fraction, you just square the numerator and square the denominator, because you're multiplying the tops together and you're multiplying the bottoms together. So let's try to tidy this up. So our x squared is going to stay where it is. Now I've got x times 1, which is x, over x. Anything over itself is the same as 1. So x over x is 1. And 1 multiplied by x over x, same thing, I've got x over x again. So that's another 1, plus the 1 over x squared. And then we can put that together, we get x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. And in this instance, we can just leave that as it is. Okay, we're going to do a second example, which isn't a unitary fraction. So 8 minus 3 over k all squared. So the first step's the same. I'm going to say that's the same as 8 minus 3 over k multiplied by 8 minus 3 over k. And I'm going to multiply out the brackets using the same rules, being careful about that negative. So first I've got 8 times 8, well that's just 64. And then I've got 8 multiplied by negative 3 over k. So it's a positive multiplied by a negative, so it's going to be negative. Remember 8, a whole number, is like a fraction over 1. So 8 times 3 is 24, and 1 times k is k. And then I've got negative 3 over k that I'm going to multiply by each thing in turn now. So negative 3 over k times 8 is going to give me the same answer as I've just had. So negative times positive makes it negative. 3 times 8 is 24. K times 1 is k. And then the last term, a negative multiplied by a negative, is going to give me a positive answer. And I've got 3 times 3, which is 9, and k times k, which is k squared. And then we'll just put those together. So 64, and I've got minus 24 over k, minus another 24 over to k. So altogether I've got minus 48 over k. And I'm adding on 9 over k squared. And in this instance, we're just going to leave that there.